It took me all day to put one up. The first day, right here. Can hardly see the sun's in my eyes. Right here, this one, and these two rails, all day to do one. That was Tuesday. Wednesday, Nancy came, and I got this one, these two rails up, right here, and these three solar panels up. That was all day. That was all day Wednesday. So that was Tuesday. These were Wednesday. And then this, I got it down. These three, all these three solar panels right here, all went up in 4 hours by myself. I got this down. Solar install is easy. Like I said, figuring it out is the hard part. I don't see why somebody would pay somebody to do this. My solar system is going to cost me around $12,000. That is 5 batteries, 2 inverters, and 15 solar panels. Look at that. I got a few trees I got to cut down still. That's right over here, a couple here, but that's nothing. Look at that. I got 9 up on this rack I built. Why would you pay somebody to do this for you? It is so easy. Figuring it out is the hard part. But, and my wife, I'm going to give her a lot of credit. Nancy is good. She figured out how to do it. I did most of it. I designed this myself, but she figured it out. She said, why don't we do it this way? Of course, she would say that. You know, I gotta say, these are done. These are done. I still gotta level all the ground back here. I think I'm gonna mount the morning solar panel right here. It'll hit morning sun. I can put 10 on this rack. I think right here, against this right here, I'm gonna build a bracket right here, and I'm gonna put another solar panel here. The sun comes up right over there, and it goes this way, right over it. Sorry, moving too fast. So I think I'm gonna put one right on the side. It's gonna get the morning sun every day, just to start the solar panels up. I wanna have 10 on this rack. Then I'm building a building over here, right here, and it's gonna have 5 more? Yeah, 5 more on it. 5 or 6 or 8, whatever I want to do, it doesn't matter. I gotta build a garage. But I'm gonna take all those trees, the bigger hemlocks in here, and I'm gonna cut them down. And I'm going to, with the chainsaw, I'm gonna drag them out with the tractor. It's over there. Tractor's over there, right there. And then I'm gonna bring it to the sawmill, which is over there someplace, over there. There's the excavator, over there someplace, right there, that's it. Right there. And that's where I'm going to do that. And I gotta say, it's been good. And then this morning I had to build I had to build a entryway to my driveway. I'm not getting into it, but yeah, something happened. So I had to make a 50-foot gap in the road, make so it comes into the property, and make it all nice and level, and pound the hell out of it with the excavator, and just make it so I could do it. Because something happened overnight. Yep. When you live in the country, you think everything's good, but nope. Sometimes things happen. Yep. So, done. I'm done with this. So I just got to dig a trench from right here, all the way across, and all the way over to the corner of that shipping container over there. It's going to be 2 feet down. It's going to be in conduit. I'm going to put two pipes, just so I know that I don't mess up. I can always run another wire through it if I have to. If I want to add on to it, or want electricity to the barn, or whatever we're going to do, I can do it. And I'm going to take a break because I don't know what time it is now. And I've been working since 7 o'clock this morning. Fixed the driveway, did some stuff, had some dogs run through the property. I have no idea what that was about. I hear a dog way out there. There's some dogs ran through the property. It was just weird, and they took off. So, all right, if you like my videos, subscribe, And as always, have a nice day. You take care. Bye.